Oh, weed's legal in Canada. Oh, Canada. Oh, I like to smoke me.
This is impossible!
This is impossible, eh? I'm from Canada.
We don't say that. That's like Indian or some shit.
We don't say that. We're from Canada, eh? Oh, would you look at this?
This
Canada.
boss is fucking impossible.
This boss is impossible, eh?
We don't talk like that, dude. Holy shit. Dude, who talks like that?
Shit, eh? We don't talk like that, eh?
Dude, who says A at the end of the words, dude?
Eh?
That's like Spanish, yeah.
Hey Felix,
Hey?
thank you for going live today. We all appreciate
Oh,
it.
look at me!
Especially
I'm XQC.
those of
I
us
smoke
that don't
the
have
weed
anyone to
because I'm
spend
from
today
Canada.
with, so it
Oh,
means
get
a
the
lot.
snow shovel.
Merry Christmas, chat.
Because it's snowing
Love you
outside.
all.
It's always snowing in
Heart.
Canada. Eh?
Dude, that's like a made-up accent. That's like.
Oh, they got new ones? Oh. Spaghetti has gifted tier. Not spaghetti, wait.
Wait, who did he get the sub to?
Tyler is a midget.
Who?
Oh, Spaghetti gifted a sub to Tyler is a midget. Who's Tyler is a midget?
I think there's a number after Tyler.
TYLER1 is a midget.
Got him.
Who sent me some?
21. Age 22. Okay. Age 23. That was a bad year. Age 24. Started Twitch. That's my fucking brain, because chat's so goddamn annoying.
Used to be.
Oh fuck. Oh, what the fuck? Back up, bitches!
Hey, chill.
I'm coming.
Dude, it's 3 fucking triple low skis. Shorty, I'm running to you. Right here.
Okay. I saw you.
Suka!
What are they in?
Suka blate! Suka!
Wait, who's
Suka! No!
Fuck!
It's fucking killing me.
They are seeing the rollback destroyed the fucking ship we've been building for 10 hours.
Wait, the rollback destroyed this shit over here?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the
Gone.
next to it.
It's
It's
done!
the shipyard, it's the one next to it.
Fucking done!
Wait, what? How can the rollback
Yeah.
destroy that if the rollback was not even an hour?
Because the ship, it happened before.
Because this game is trash!
Hey Devs, you better give us the fucking shit back.
I need a cheat. Okay. Any?
Oh, you give me
It's nothing. It's just
chocolate cake? Oh my god, just fucking do it, Lily. Oh.
There's nothing. I'm sorry. Oh. Good girl. You're a good girl.
My butthole. You subscribed to ask me if I bleach my butthole. Not only am I gonna ban you from my channel. There we go. Thank you for subscribing. You are now banned and you are not going on the sub tree, dude. You are not going on the sub tree. How's this? How's this, dumbass? How's this? How's this? This is my ashtray. This is my ashtray. There you go. Dumbass.
What the? fuck is this guy?
All systems nominal. Weapons locked. Mission: the destruction of any Chinese communists. Position. Titanium presence barrier. Probability of mission hindrance. 0%.
Right here, it's this one.
Democracy is non-negotiable. Death is a preferable alternative to communism.
I don't know what I expected.
American soil, lethal force engaged. Tactical assessment.
But I did not expect this.
Like these kinds of people right here, this is what the game is really about. Okay, it's not about farming Azerite power. Nobody gives a fuck about that. It's not about farming any of this other bullshit. It's about collecting mounts and then showing other people that you're better than they are because you have more mounts than them. That is what really matters. That's what really counts. Nobody gives a fuck about any of this other stuff. Mounts are what—
Get it off the workshop. Yeah, I'm in. Whoa. Suka bilat fuck shit bilat.
Stop throwing this Ebola shit on me. Oh my god.
Okay, you know what, Forsen, we love like stream saving and all that, but I think we need to go to a different game, man.
Wow.
I think we need to go to a different game, bro.
Bird, you probably want to use push to talk. Make sure.
How do I put push to talk on the game? I went into advanced settings and I clicked toggle to talk, and it's still
So
doing
my
it.
suggestion is that for now,
do not enable toggle to talk. Disable toggle to talk.
disable toggle to talk or something. We'll get you sorted. We'll get you sorted.
Wait, what's the thing you gotta click to enable it?
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't even fucking.
So just make sure there's like a white diamond next to toggle to talk. Not a white diamond, a black.
Yeah, what about me? You said Greek. Continue.
Right?
Wait, why do I sound like him? He talks like this.
The juice, mate!
No, you forgot pussy. You said pussy really fast.
Hang on. I want to ask her a question. How can you?
Hi. Frame of mind it is.
Or not.
What the fuck? Holy shit. Wait. I found a bug. He has no weapons. What the fuck was that?
Oh! Run out!
On the right, Lucio, get the fucking break.
Holy shit, let's go, dude! Holy shit, dude! Fucking let's go, dude! What the fuck? Fucking nice, dude! PogChamp! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Thank you for being a good captain. I just want to admit that I was the spy. I rigged everything. There was no Chinese. There was no attacks. I just wanted to have fun. What the fuck? What the fuck? So, thanks
Now
for
we will
playing.
send you
It was a
to
good
good luck.
stream.
Now you're gonna see.
Play hard.
Twist.
Now it's time to prove
10 out of 10 IMDb.
Here for revenge. Super
10
kick.
out of 10
One hell of a
on
fighter.
IMDb.
Warrior. Super tough. Super deadly. Super kick. One hell of a fighter. Warrior. Super tough. Super deadly. Super kick. Drop it. What